In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in a WhatsApp group on Android. First, make sure you have WhatsApp installed and updated to the latest version on your Android phone. Polls are a relatively new feature, so if your app is out of date, you might not see the option. You can quickly update WhatsApp from the Google Play Store before getting started. Once you're ready, open WhatsApp from your home screen or app drawer. When the app opens, you'll land on your Chats tab, where you can see all your recent conversations and groups. Find the group where you want to create a poll. If you don't see it right away, you can scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top to type the group's name and open it from there. Inside the group chat, look for the message box at the bottom of the screen where you usually type messages. To the right of that text box, you should see a small paperclip or plus icon, which is the attachment button. Tap that attachment button to open a menu of options. In this menu, you'll see several choices such as document, camera, gallery, and so on. Among these options, look for poll. If your app is updated and you're in a group chat, you should see poll listed there. Go ahead and tap on poll. A new screen will open where you can set up your poll. At the top, you'll see a field labeled question. Tap on it and type the question you want to ask the group, such as deciding a meeting time, choosing a location, or getting opinions on an activity. Try to make the question clear and specific so your group members know exactly what they're voting on. Below the question, you'll see spaces to add options. Tap on the first option field and type your first choice. Then tap on the next one and type another choice. You can usually add multiple options, so continue adding as many as you need, keeping them short and easy to understand. This helps people quickly compare and vote. When you're happy with your question and options, look for the Send button, usually in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap Send, and your poll will appear in the group chat. Group members can now tap on their preferred option to vote, and the results will update in real time. That's all you need to do to create a poll in a WhatsApp group on Android.